Hi, it's Carl Hercula from Michigan Solar Solutions. We want to talk about how to install jackboards today. Jackboards are real important. You might have a steep roof where you're not able to walk it like this, and you need a little more support. It might be a little more steeper, like on a 45-degree angle. So we're going to show you how to safely put these on, and what to expect and what to use. First off, you really want to use 16D nails. They're like this. They've got a nice shear strength, and they really hold up. You do not want to use your standard roofing nails. These will shear off, and your life is on the line when you're up here. So make sure you're using the right nails. Don't use these. So first, we want to decide what row we're going to go on. Usually I'll go on third or fourth row. We'll just go up on this fifth row here. We're going to try to find our rafter for our truss. That sounds pretty solid to me right there. So you don't want to put them on one of those on a seam here. So we can go to the one below it, and we'll do that. So you're going to start off lifting up your shingles. Don't rip them like that. And you can see I already did this a while ago and put one on there, so we'll go ahead and just do another one just for demonstration purposes. You want to put that on your nail line, your first nail. See, that's a miss. So you don't want to go with that one. You want to make sure you're hitting something solid. You can hear that sound, that it's nice and solid. So you want to go down, and you don't want to drive it all the way yet. You want to grab your roof jack. This is a roof jack here. It's got 3 slots for nails. The way that I install mine, we start with the second one. So you're only going to have 2 of them that are actually underneath the shingle there. So you put one in there. You'll drive that back down. Make sure you're nice and centered. Then you can grab your next nail. Put that in there. Then, just to make sure it's real seated on the nails, put it down a couple times, and that's in there. So now let's go over to the other side. Grab our stuff. Make sure you're going on the same row. If you go on this row, it's not going to work. You got to make sure you're on the same row as that one. So again, you want to lift up your shingles. Try to find a rafter. That sounds pretty good. Right down there on the nail line. That's a miss, so you don't want to go with that one. Let's see if it's a little over here. It's another miss. There it is. Oh, looks like we hit a nail that was underneath. So if that happens, just go a little bit over. You can hear that sound. It's going in. It's hard to seat. Don't go all the way in yet. Wait till you get your jack. Put your jack on the second hole. Grab another nail. And you want to hit it down a couple times just so it's seated nice and well. So now you got your 2 jacks. You can grab your board. You can throw your board on. You want to set it down and you want to kind of flip it in there to those little grooves. We'll grab a couple nails here. Make sure you use 16s on these. It's just a better thing to do than those roofing nails. But hit those into the wood, pull it up against the jackboard itself, knock it down a few times, and then you can pound it down like that. Same thing here. All right, now you can walk on this jackboard. You got enough security and everything else. The only thing you don't want to do is you want to stay in between the jacks when you're walking on this. You don't want to step here because it'll kick up and you'll flip right off the roof. So stay tuned. We'll do another video on how to remove these.